Campus is a place where many people from various backgrounds, gender, and age study. Most of the smokers on campus are male students studying at my university. Usually after class, every time I go home, I always see my friends, especially the males, gathering and smoking in front of the campus. Why don't they just smoke somewhere else? Why do they have to gather and smoke in front of the campus? That's what I always wonder. Considering that the campus is a place for education, is it because there are no designated smoking area that they smoke in front of the campus? Why don't they just smoke somewhere other than in front of the campus? I don't mind if they gather and smoke, but it doesn't have to be on campus. The campus is a place for education, and the campus image is determined by its students. My advice for those of you who like to gather and smoke with friends is to find a place other than the campus. A place where you can gather, chat, and smoke together, such as a cafe with designated smoking area but not on campus.
Hello everyone, today I will present a little material about simple present tense. Understanding the simple present tense. What is the simple present tense? Simple present tense is used to describe action or situation that are regular, habitual, or generally true. Simply put, the simple present tense is a tense used to describe regular, routine, or habitual events that occur every day. The simple present tense can also be used to indicate something that is happening right now. Function of the simple present tense. Simple present tense is a tense used to express general truth, habit, instruction, and fixed schedule. A general truth refers to a general truth or absolute truth. This means things whose truth is certain and generally known. For example, water freezes at 0 degrees. This is definitely true and proven because no water evaporates at 0 degrees. Cats are mammals. This is also definitely true and generally known. A habit means something done continuously and consistently. For example, my father goes to work every day. I study with my friend every Sunday at the academy. Instruction means a command. Example include the warning sign we often see on the street. Instruction can also be found on product packaging. For example, cook the noodle for 3 minutes. In addition to instruction on the street or on product packaging, this tense is also used in general imperative sentence. For example, do not enter this area, close the door please. Fixed schedule refers to something that is scheduled or certain to happen. What the difference between them and habit? Habit or routine are things done repeatedly and they can be scheduled or unscheduled. Example including going to work, school, or tutoring. You definitely go to school on schedule, but why is it included in habit instead of fixed schedule? Because it's repetitive. Let's emphasize that again, repetitive. Fixed schedule are things that are scheduled but not repetitive. For example, the show starts at 7 p.m. The script marks their upcoming concert in Indonesia on September 13th and October 1st. Simple present tense present formula. For subject, I used to be am and verb. Do are a verb without ending s. Meanwhile, for subject, you, they, we, and plural subject used to be are and verb. Do are a verb without the ending s. Finally, for subject, he, she, it, and singular subject used to be is and verb does, or a verb ending s. The pattern itself is divided into two types, namely the pattern for noun sentence and the pattern for verb sentence. Simple present tense pattern formula for non-sentence. Non-sentence is a sentence that states an object, such a person's name, profession, place, or anything else that is known. Therefore, the predicate is to be, is, are, to be, is, are, because the simple present tense is the present tense, meaning the present or current tense. The correct form of to be is the present tense, which is, or are. Simple present tense pattern formula for verb sentence. A verb sentence is a sentence that expresses an action or behavior, therefore its predicate is a verb. The verb used must be verb 1. Again, it must be verb 1 because the simple present tense is the present tense, meaning the present or current tense. The correct verb is verb 1. That's all my presentation. More or less, I apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.